Welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to enter cost in bulk for job or shipment in Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into a Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the documentation module. Here, we have to select the bulk cost entry menu under the documentation module. On this cost entry page, we can add multiple costs to a company. Here, we have to enter the organization name. And we have to select the charge. Then we have to enter the job number and shipment number. And also enter the required details. Here, click on the add charge button. After clicking on the add charge button, below the charge will be added. If you want to add another cost, just click on the add charge button. Otherwise, we have to click on the save and close button. This is how to enter cost in bulk for job or shipment in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.